Yung last video ko guys, ay nag-order tayo ng Maya Card online. At ngayon, after 10 business days, ay natanggap ko na ang aking Maya Card. So, paano nga ba i-activate itong Maya Physical Card? At kailangan natin itong i-activate nang sa ganon ay mailink natin sa ating account and to use it for transaction kagaya ng ATMs withdrawal. Kung bago ka lang sa channel na to at gusto mo pa ng mga tutorial videos na kagaya nito, hit like and subscribe button. Okay, ang in-order ko po pala guys ay Maya Visa Card. At kung paano natin i-activate itong Maya Visa Card. Okay, first step is open your Maya application. Log into your account at itap mo tong cards. Okay, then scroll down. Pindutin mo na tong activate a card both from any of our partners. Then, please enter the information as shown on the back of your card. Kunin mo ang iyong card at i-enter mo dito ang iyong card number. Then, validity. Okay, itap mo na itong arrow down to select month and year. Next is CVV security code. Paki-double check lahat ng mga information na nilagay mo at kung sure ka na ay itap mo na tong next. Then mag-set ka ng 6-digit card PIN. Huwag mo po kakalimutan ang iyong gagawing 6-digit card PIN or personal identification number. Kasi ito po ay ang iyong magiging unique and private password mo. At gagamitin mo to for ATMs, withdrawal, and other transactions. Okay, after mo mag-set ng PIN, tap next. And i-confirm mo dito yung ginawa mong PIN kanina. At itap mo tong next. At lalabas tong your card is good to go. Then tap done. So ito na nga po yung aking Maya Card and activated na. At ganun lang po kadali i-activate ang ating Maya Card and thank you for watching.